Today we will be testing a new SuperTrend trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new SuperTrend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 120 different strategies, with 39 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a new SuperTrend trading strategy. So let's go ahead and turn these off here. So the source video claims that this new SuperTrend will blow your mind, and it is the most accurate buy sell signal indicator. So of course we are going to put that to the test to see what we can get out of this strategy and indicator. And so the indicator consists of the strategy consists of two different indicators. The first one is going to be the standardized SuperTrend oscillator, this one right here by Quantilux. And that is going to be the indicator, this new SuperTrend indicator that will supposedly blow your mind. So once you have it on screen, go into the settings, and under the inputs, you're going to make a few changes. Make sure that these links and factors are the same as they have here. The oscillating style, or the oscillator style, will be line, not candles, and you will turn off the reversion tracer. You'll make sure the SuperTrend of oscillator is checked on. The reversion signals you'll have none, and the contrarian signals you will have on both. And that will give you what you see here on screen now. So basically a new SuperTrend, and you'll have a SuperTrend of this new SuperTrend, and it will then be giving you buy and sell signals, which we will look at here in just a moment. The next indicator you are going to add to screen is going to just be your standard MACD indicator. So your moving average convergence divergence, just the standard one that comes with TradingView. Once you have that on screen, you'll go into the settings and you will change the inputs to this right here. And then you will change the time frame to a 4-hour time frame like this. And so fast length 100, slow 200, signal smoothing is 50. You'll make sure both these are on EMAs. And that will give you the MACD like you see here. So what we're looking for is the MACD to give us the overall trend direction. So when it's red, we are looking for only shorts, and when it is green, we are looking for only buys. And so you can see here that the MACD is green. It's kind of hard to see. Zoom in a little bit tighter, goes from red to green, a little bit of red, then back to green here. And so we're only looking for buys, and we get a buy signal from this new standardized SuperTrend oscillator. That's going to be our official entry signal right there. Set a long trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below the last swing, and we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward. So we'll pull this up right there. All right, let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. All right, so you see that we make a steady little climb to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade now. All right, so for a short trade, we're looking for the MACD to be in red. So if I scrunch it down here and scroll back a little bit, you can see that the MACD is showing red. And then we are looking for the sell signal coming from the SuperTrend oscillator. We get that all lined up right here on this candle. It's going to be our short trade set there. We're going to set our stop at the last swing right there. And then we are going to target the 1 to 2 risk reward just like before right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. All right, so you see there that this one was a little bit faster than the last one, but we pretty much make an immediate nosedive straight down, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. So we have the 1 to 2 risk reward, putting things in our favor just a little bit there. Actually a pretty decent amount, I guess I would say. And so let's say on the winning side, you were looking to gain $600 per trade. Your total gain on the wins would have been $12,000. And on the losing side, you would have been risking $300. Your total loss would have been $9,000. And your total gain altogether with a 40% win rate would have been $3,000. And so not a bad strategy. Now this was on the 1 hour time frame. So keep in mind that this was over a significant period of time, I think over a year altogether. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator and strategy that I've mentioned a few times before already in the video here. Your total trades would have been 107 trades with 78 winning trades and 29 losing trades, putting you at a 72% win rate. Now, admittedly, the strategy doesn't like the 1 hour time frame that great, but even with a 72% win rate, let's say that you are also looking to gain $600 per trade with a risk to reward of 1.3 to 1, your total gain would have been $46,800. Your total loss would have been $22,620 for a overall gain of $24,180 with a, like I said, 72% win rate. And so even with a 72% win rate, you can see that the strategy that we have developed here on the channel is quite significantly more profitable with a lot more trades in that same period of time. And so with compounded stuff like that, you would have definitely had a lot better results from the Academy of Forex strategy. And so tweaks and tricks that I have put on the guide that I give out to all of our patrons. And so if you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, just sign up for our Patreon down below and you can get a 7-day free trial. And I've started tracking the trades or the signals from a few select pair of Forex pairs, and this week will mark the first week. We'll be tracking these each week and adding them up, keeping track of them all together. This week we had 6 trades, and out of those 6 trades we had 5 winning trades and 1 losing trade, putting us at an 83% win rate. So for this week, if you would have been looking to gain the $600 and risking the 780 with the 1.3 to 1 risk reward, your total profit would have been $2,220 on the week. So not a bad little week you would have had, which is a small handful of trades. If you are interested in seeing a more in-depth video on the signals that we did on those select Forex pairs, you can find that on the free side of our Discord channel in the general channel. So go ahead and check that out. Like I said, if you're interested, sign up for the Patreon down below. You can get the 7-day free trial. You have to maintain the Patreon status to continue to have access to the indicator. All right, so that's it for this one. This strategy we are going to go ahead and put on the yes list because I think it is valid that it did give you a little bit of gains, even though it wasn't huge gains. It was still enough to have some kind of profit, and we will move on to the next video from here.